Hi ladies, I'm going to show you how to do the Regina fold. So I've already pre-scored the medallion into 4 directions, and you start out with the colour down in that corner, then you invert the sides to form a basic square, and with the open part at the top you fold down the top part to point D, score it well, and take it back up, and on that line that was formed by that fold, you fold the left corner into that line, then you fold the right corner along that line, it's hard to see with the pattern there. Score it really well, then fold that one back down, that forms your point, and then you fold that over toward the bottom, and that's your cuff. Then you take the right hand over and fold it down that center line, scoring it really well on the thick part, and then open that back. Oops. Flatten that back. Then you take the left side over, and along this line here you fold that back. So there. Then open it back and turn it around, and now this side here you're going to fold that back to the center so that you've got one side white and one side red. Score that cuff area really well, and then here is the tricky part. You're going to lift that cuff, and at the same time you're going to push that side of the tile up and back under the cuff. There, like that. Oops, no. Wait a moment. There it is. Not very good, sorry. Done it about 40 times today and it didn't do that. There we are. I admit it's tricky, but it comes after you've done a few. Should I do it again? That's the fold finished, and to assemble it you go anti-clockwise and join them together. That's all. Thank you.